Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I will be making almost every Nigerian's favorite stew known as Banga Stew. Ingredients: meat, ice fish, dry fish, palm fruit, crayfish, fresh pepper, black pepper, onions, seasoning nor, salt, OP, vegetables, pumpkin leaf and scent leaf. Procedure: wash and cook the palm fruit. Wash, season and half cook the meat. Also wash and season the fish with salt nor and black pepper. Cover and set aside. Select the dry fish and wash with warm water and salt. Cut the onions, brine the fresh pepper crayfish and OP and set aside. Cut the vegetables and set them aside too. Once the palm fruit is done, extract the pulp, banga, and set on heat. Once it starts to boil, add the half-cooked meat and let it boil well. If the banga oil separates at the top, add the dry fish, fresh pepper, OP onions and crayfish. Stir and allow to boil well. Add the ice fish and stir. Add the nor, stir and taste for salt and allow to boil for few minutes. Add the vegetables, stir, and bring it down. Do not allow the vegetables to overcook. Dish and serve with white rice. Health benefits: Banga soup, also known as palm nut soup, offers numerous health benefits due to its rich nutritional profile. Its high content of magnesium, vitamins B6, and C relieve premenstrual syndrome. The vitamins A and E present in Banga soup are essential for immune system function and reproductive health, particularly for pregnant women. Vitamin E in Banga soup acts as a natural antioxidant, giving the skin a fresher look and reducing the risk of cancer. It also protects brain fats and slows down dementia effects. Banga soup helps lower LDL cholesterol and increase HDL cholesterol, reducing the risk of heart disease. Banga soup contains carotenoids, including beta-carotene, which converts to vitamin A in the body, providing antioxidant benefits. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comment section if you enjoyed the recipe and your thoughts about it. Also, please like, comment, and share to your friends. Also subscribe to stay up to date on my next videos. Bye.